Good morning, everybody. I got a Ford Mustang, old school. I don't know what year is it, but we're talking about a long time ago. And that car is a good condition, but it got some rust on Bodyworks. See, like type of rust on the bottom, like this one. You know what I mean? Let's see what's gonna happen with the final looks. Here's the dent. It is like big dent. Let's see what's gonna happen with it. We're going to sand the dent with a DA with the 80 grit to mark the dent as like what we see right now. You can know what is the high spot and the low spot. Right now we can see the low spot, the area doesn't get sanded, and the high spot, the area show the metal of the primer. So now we're gonna go through the area at the low spot, try to remove the paint. So that part paint before twice. So we go through the paint, and then I'm gonna use the grinder 36 grit to can have the tint per metal to can use the puller and to can get good connection to can pull the metal. Now I'm going to use the Dent puller, Dent Maxi. This machine have like a key studs. You can weld it, and they have a special clamp for this. And you clamp it, then you apply pressure by your hand, or you strap it to the tower on a frame machine as like whatever you want. In my case, I'm gonna work with the clamp straight to the strap as next to me is a tower. So I'm gonna hook up to the clamp and a strap to the tower, and I start pulling the metal, applying some pressure. At the same time, when I have the pressure, I knock down the high spot and pull the low spot. You guys can watch right now. I got the slapper. Just adjust the strap, and I have the pressure right now, and I slap in the middle, little by little. Tap the high spot using my hand, feel, and then tap creases. As much you can use your hand to feel the metal, because you know bodywork is like work with feelings when you touch the metal. I'm going to fix the body line. Like you guys see the body line how it's like in too much inside the panel. So I'm gonna use the same key and I apply the pressure and the tab. As you see guys, like I got a little bit gray when I was standing with the DA. That's a big crease, very big crease, and the line in and that creases out. So more I pull, more I gonna tap down that crease to make the panel even and flat most I can. Now I'm going to start to pull, and I tap the high area with the hammer, but it's a really tiny area, so I need to figure out how I'm gonna tap between the keys and the area I need to knock it down. Guys, pay attention what I'm gonna do right now. You see, I have something really thin go in that area, and I tap over there, and I'm tapping the bottom at the same time, and I apply pressure in the middle. See how's the banner moving? Now here's the time for the body filler. We're using 3M Bondo Platinum lesbian hose. There is materials good quality. So as you guys see in my border, a little bit Bondo, not that much. And most of these Bondo gonna get sanded down with 80 grit when we rough the sand, and then go through 180, 320 around the edges. So as you guys see, I spread it tight most I can with my big spreader now. And it's a little bit tricky when you spread in an area have like 3 body lines like those. Now the car is fully primer with a high belt primer. All the bodywork get covered with primer 2K.
Good morning, everybody. We got the Mustang. We're back here. We stripped the roof. We got like, you see how the clear coat is damaged. So we try to strip that car, bare metal, to the primer, and then we're gonna prime it again. And that car is gonna be looks nice. I already did most of the body work. Now we strip it to the paint the whole car and give him a nice clean paint job. I hope you guys watch the whole video and enjoying it.